30.
30.
30.
Im Restaurant 2.
At the restaurant 2.
At the restaurant. 2.
Einen Apfelsaft bitte.
An apple juice, please.
An apple juice, please.
Eine Limonade bitte.
A lemonade, please.
A lemonade, please.
Einen Tomatensaft bitte.
A tomato juice, please.
A tomato juice, please.
Ich hätte gern ein Glas Rotwein.
I'd like a glass of red wine.
I'd like a glass of red wine.
Ich hätte gern ein Glas Weißwein.
I'd like a glass of white wine.
I'd like a glass of white wine.
Ich hätte gern eine Flasche Sekt.
I'd like a bottle of champagne.
I'd like a bottle of champagne.
Magst du Fisch?
Do you like fish?
Do you like fish?
Magst du Rindfleisch?
Do you like beef?
Do you like beef?
Magst du Schweinefleisch?
Do you like pork?
Do you like pork?
Ich möchte etwas ohne Fleisch.
I'd like something without meat.
I'd like something without meat.
Ich möchte eine Gemüseplatte.
I'd like some mixed vegetables.
I'd like some mixed vegetables.
Ich möchte etwas, was nicht lange dauert.
I'd like something that won't take much time.
I'd like something that won't take much time.
Möchten Sie das mit Reis?
Would you like that with rice?
Would you like that with rice?
Möchten Sie das mit Nudeln?
Would you like that with pasta?
Would you like that with pasta?
Möchten Sie das mit Kartoffeln?
Would you like that with potatoes?
Would you like that with potatoes?
Das schmeckt mir nicht.
That doesn't taste good.
That doesn't taste good.
Das Essen ist kalt.
The food is cold.
The food is cold.
Das habe ich nicht bestellt.
I didn't order this.
I didn't order this.